lot. All right, so since it is well after 7 o'clock, let's get started with our 2020 Prizm Football Asia TMall Random Player One Box Break number 1. Just like with all of our random player breaks, we list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times, and then we'll match that up against an alphabetical player list from the product. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, if I can get my mouse to work, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5. Now I'm going to leave that on the screen for a second. I need to do one little thing, and then we will cut and paste that list up against our alphabetical player list. I forgot to end the listing on eBay. Sometimes I forget to do that, and since someone comes in, give me just a second. Perfect, there we go. Sorry about that. Back to the plan. So we will cut and paste this list, going all the way down. I think this is a 6-card box. We'll have our red and yellow Prizm, our rookie silver Prizm, 2 base rookies, and I think 2 base cards. So there we go. There's our alphabetical player list. So if there are anybody in the chat that is breaking with us for the first time, I think I saw a couple of you mention that, and you have any questions or anything, just put them in the chat and I'll answer them as quick as I can. I'm going to take our combined list right here, cut and paste it over to the right, and then I'm going to sort it in alphabetical order by everyone's eBay IDs. And then we'll briefly scroll through that list so everybody can see which players they've got in the break. And then we will tear into our box and see what we get. There we go. Finally. My wife is mad at me. Is she mad at you because you have 25 spots in the NT break? I certainly hope not. If so, though, you should just go ahead and double down and get another 25 and make it worth your while. I don't want to tell you how to live your life or anything, but I mean, if you're in for a dime, you're in for a dollar. That's what I always say. Well, David, maybe you'll be able to break out of your slump this evening. Hopefully you can. I understand that, though. It's kind of tough when you get into kind of the doldrums of a big slump like that. Alrighty, so now that we have been through our crazy long list, let's open up our box and see what we get. There's our pack. Kid Reporter card. A little past its date. We have a Marlon Davidson rookie. And then next we have a Darrell Taylor rookie. And then next we have a Mitchell Trubisky yellow and red Prizm. And that is serial numbered 20 of 49. And then next, ooh, how about that? Little T. Higgins rookie silver. How about that awesome hit for the Higgins spot? Not too shabby. And in lieu of a potential autograph, they're not guaranteed in this box. I think there's like 1 in every 10 boxes. We have a Panini Rewards card for 400 points. So we will do a random again with the same list that we started with once we're done going through the rest of the cards to see who gets the 400 points. Yeah, David, it was pretty built up. We were there in like 07 and 08. That was quite a long time ago, and it was still, it was pretty built up. Alrighty. And our next card is a Sean Lee base card. So, give me just a couple minutes. We'll get the random reset up to determine who gets our 400 points. So, give me just a sec, and we'll get that set up and run it. We'll basically run the random 5 times like we just did. And whoever's at the top, in the top spot after the 5th randomization, that person will get the 400 points. Alrighty, here's our original list. We had CWO Flint up at the top here. So again, we're going to run it 5 times. Whoever's at the top after the 5th one gets the points. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and here's number 5. And it goes to Abby. Congrats on that one. Very nice. Alrighty, so now that we have determined that, let's go back to our list. If I can pull it up on my screen here, there we go. And see who got the rest of our cards. So we'll start first with our Sean Lee base card because it is the least exciting one. And that goes to PGH DT Fan. Congrats on that one. Then we'll go to our base rookies. Our first one is Darrell Taylor. And where is that? And that goes to CWO Flint. Congrats on that one. And then our second rookie, Marlon Davidson. And that goes to J White 203480. Congrats on that. And then next is our yellow and red Mitchell Trubisky Prizm, serial numbered to 49. And that goes to Velvet Hoop 20. Congrats on that. And then last but certainly not least, our T. Higgins Rookie Silver Prizm. And that goes to Abby, who also got the points. Congratulations on both of those. Fantastic. Well, all righty. That concludes our 20 Prizm Football Asia TMall Random Player One Box Break number 1. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks to everyone that joined us in the live stream for the break this evening. And we'll be back in a few minutes with our 21 National Treasures Baseball Random Player One Box Break number 4. Thanks again, everybody. Here is our National Treasures box, ready to go. Looks like we've got a few minutes. I'm going to see how many spots we've got left in that one.